Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.14. The supply function for a product is P is equal to 0.4 e power 2x, where x denotes 1000 units. Find producer's surplus when sales are 2000 units. See, here 2000 unit does not represent x naught, because here this p function, they say that it is equal to 0.4 into e power 2x, where x is 1000. So when I say x is going to be 2000, it simply refers to x naught is going to be equal to 2. Only then it is 2 times of 1000, so that is what will be x naught. So what is p naught? P naught is nothing but 0.4 into e power 2 into 2, so this is going to be e power 4. So now they've already given what is the value of e power 4, which so p naught is going to be equal to 0.4 into e power 4's value. Okay, so that is what is going to be equal to p naught. We will not calculate this value right now. We will do it in the later stage. So now the producer's surplus ps is going to be equal to x naught p naught minus integral 0 to x naught p of d of x. So now let's substitute. X naught is going to be 2 into p naught is nothing but 0.4 into e power 4 minus 0 to 2 integral. This is going to be 0.4 e power 2x dx. So now let's perform the integration. So this is 0.4 into 2 into e power 4, so 0.8 into 54.6, so this is equal to 0.8 into 54.6. Now minus integration of this 0.4 I'm taking outside, so this is e power 2x divided by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. So PFS is going to be given as 0.8 into 54.6 minus of, now let's substitute the upper limit, so this is 0.4 into, the upper limit is 2 into 2, so e power 4 by 2 minus the lower limit is e power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1, so this is going to be equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is 0.8 into 54.6 minus 0.2, because that's what we need to do, 0.2 into e power 4 plus this is going to be 0.4 divided by 2, so which is going to be a 0.2. So this is going to be, I can take this e power 4 outside and treat this as 0.6 into 54.6 plus 0.2. So the final answer is going to be equal to 32.96. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.